Children, how are you? Today I am going to start with the new lesson Cities and Villages. You have already read this chapter. Now I am going to explain it in detail. Where do you live? You live in Delhi. It is a city or a village? It is a city. How can you say you live in a city? Because you find pakka houses in cities, you have pakka roads, then you have all the facilities of electricity, schools and hospitals in a city. So how villages and cities developed, we are going to study about that. Early human beings used to live in caves. Then they started building kacha houses or huts to take care of their fields and animals. Slowly, the villages came into existence. These villages were very small. Then, big villages came into existence. Then they started doing farming also. Farming means growing the crops in the villages. So, in this way, villages became a part of their living. Now we come to the cities. How cities developed. Slowly, the villages became developed with the advancement of science and technology, and people started building pakka houses, roads, and electricity also came there, and cities soon developed after the villages. Now we come to the differences between cities and villages. Cities are more developed, whereas villages are undeveloped. Developed means you have metalled roads, pakka houses in cities, whereas in villages you find kacha houses and unmetalled or kacha roads. In cities you find big buildings, flats, pakka houses, whereas in villages you find kacha houses and small huts. Now we come to the transport system. In villages you have metalled roads or pakka roads, that's why you find cars, buses, metros, everything in cities. Whereas in villages the roads are kacha or unmetalled, and you find bullock carts, cycle and motorcycles there. Then in cities you have very big hospitals and good medical facilities, whereas in villages there are few clinics and few small hospitals. You don't have good medical facilities there. Then in cities you have big advanced schools. In villages you have few schools. Then we come to the occupation of the people. In cities people work in offices, they do their business, they work in factories, whereas the main occupation of people in the villages is farming. Then we come to the electricity. In cities you have proper electricity supply, whereas there are some villages where you don't have even the electricity. People do their work in candles or lanterns. Okay, now we come to the advantages of living in the cities. Advantages means how living in a city is useful to us, or how are we benefited when we live in a city. When you live in a city you find many advantages, like you have all the developed education system, medical system, then roads, electricity you have in villages, in cities, and in cities you find many working facilities also, like you can work in a factory, offices, etc. Then disadvantages of living in a city is that the city is more crowded, city is more polluted, you don't get fresh fruits and vegetables in cities. And in villages, the uses of living in a village is, advantages of living in a village is that you don't have pollution in villages, then people are more close to each other, then you find fresh fruits and vegetables, fresh air, water you get in villages. And disadvantages of living in a village is that you don't have metal roads, you don't have electricity, then you don't get many working facilities. Thank you, children.